Welcome back to another video. So I've got a few different bits to show you actually. I joined in a Secret Santa. I don't know if any of you have watched, sometimes I join in with a collab with the Nutty Nail Co, which is a group of ladies. And they've done a Secret Santa this year, so I joined in with it. I think it was a £10 budget for everybody. And Just Jo Nail Addict, who runs the Nutty Nail Co, she gave us all a name and address to send to, but the person we're sending it to doesn't know who it's from. So obviously I don't know who sent my gift. So I've got that to show you. I've got a little friend mail to show you from one of my friends, Nails by Sue. And I've got a few other bits. Should we just get into it? So, start with my Secret Santa. Look at this. Time to sparkle and party. It sure is. And it says you're on the nice list. Oh, that's so sweet. I've always been on the naughty list. I have been good this year though. So, let's open it and see what we got. I don't know who this is from. I don't know if they're going to tell me inside who it's from or not. We shall see. Oh shit, I nearly stabbed myself then. Let's have a look. I can tell already, I have had a feel. I can tell already it's in a Madame Glam box. Which doesn't mean it's Madame Glam, by the way. That just means someone's used a Madame Glam box. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, let's just get it open. Oh, look, we've got a little Christmas tree. So, let's see what we got. Oh, we got sweets. Oh, another little Christmas tree. I'm going to keep these. Wonder if they'd fit on a nail. Right, we've got some jelly babies. What we got? Oh, chrome powders. Oh, there's more. Let's have a look at these chrome powders. Oh, these are pretty colours. I like these pots as well. Look at that, pink and purple. Oh, look at that, it's like electric purple. Oh, these are fab for Christmas, look. Oh, wow, I really like them. Right, so we've got chrome powders. We've got a pack of stickers. Are they stickers? They feel like stickers. Oh, there's loads in here. Right, I'm just going to have a quick flick through these. Yeah, there's stickers. Oh, look at all these. They smell funny. So you could cut these out any shape you wanted. Wow, look at all these. Yeah, you could cut these out any shape. You could do full cover or just little slices. I like these. Look at these. There's so many. I like that you can cut these out any size you want. They're so cool. These ones are stuck together. They want to be together. I really like them. They're cool. Stick them back in there for now. So we got them. We got a chomp, sweets, and we've got glitters. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, that's super sparkly. I like that. It's not got giant hexes in there either. We've got a beautiful ultra fine pinky purple. Wow. You can never go wrong with fine glitters. They're so versatile. And this one. So this is again pinky purple. This has got all sorts going on. I can see shards of mylar in there. Hex. Teeny tiny little strands. I like that. That's very pretty. That's one of them glitters that will look different depending on what colour nail you put it on. So that's my Secret Santa. Oh no, we've got more. So we've got fingernail masks. I've never seen masks for your nails. That's cool. I've never seen fingernail masks. I've seen hand masks, face masks, hair masks, foot masks. I've never seen fingernail masks. Right, and we've also got a card. I like all this attention to detail, look. And inside the card, it just says, "My beautiful Aggie, hope you like your little present and have fun playing. Love always, your secret Santa." Who is it? I'll find out who it is. I will. I'll go on a mission and find out who it is. So that's my secret Santa. Right, and this box, guys, is from the lovely Nails by Sue. She really wanted to send me something, and I kept telling her, nope, 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 there's nothing I need, there's nothing I want. And she kept insisting, so I said, if you really want to send me something, send me some sweets and chocolate. So she did. This bag was full of sweets and chocolate, but I went on a trip to see my mum on the train, and I ate so much of it on the train. But there's still loads left. Look at all these sweets. And she sent me these beautiful hand creams. Royal Bloom, Heritage Bloom, Golden Bloom. They're beautiful. I go through so much hand cream. So thank you for that. Guys, Nails by Sue, honestly, she's such a sweet lady. And she's so close to getting 1,000 subscribers. If any of you have just got 1 minute spare, please go over and subscribe. You would make her Christmas. You really would. And I'd appreciate it so much. This is so little. Everybody knows I love miniature. Anything miniature. Aggie might like it. What is it? It's a little Betty Boop keyring. Oh, it's one of them that goes on your phone. Little teeny tiny Betty Boop. That is so cute. Look at her little shoes. Look at her little shoes. Thank you. That's really thoughtful. Right, now I'm just going to show you a few bits that I've bought. So, off Amazon, I've got some nail tips. These are short almond. I really wanted some short almond ones. But I wanted them, I didn't want them too rounded on the end. I wanted like a short stiletto, and that's exactly what these are. They're more like a short stiletto, aren't they? They're beautiful. I can't tell you what the thumbs are like because I've got extensions on, so I'm not sure what the thumbs are like. But yeah, they look really nice. They're like matte, but they're pre-etched. They're pre-etched inside as well. Aren't they a really pretty shape and length? I'm trying to show you. Really pretty shape and pretty length. I really like them. I like them a lot. Yeah, so I'm going to use them to make some press-ons, I think, for me and my mum at Christmas. I really like them. I like this little pink case as well. It's got holographic. And I've got some press-ons. These are really cool. These are really smart. So there's four different types. This first one's glossy. Let me show you. It's got some little French tip ones, and then it's got them in the pink, and they've both got a little yellow outline. Then it's got the French tip in the orange. Oh, it's got them in blue, and then it's got the little rainbow stripes. Aren't they cool? I really like them. So that's the first set. Oh, these ones are nice. We've got pink, like a purpley blue, and then these are a bit like abstract. I'm trying to get that reflection from my light. Abstract ones, and then it's got little plain nude ones. I really like these. Yeah, this third set are all the same except they alternate. Blue at the top, pink at the bottom, pink at the top, blue at the bottom. And then it's got the plain blue and the plain pink in matte. Don't they look like acrylic or builder gel? I really like the look of them. Yeah, they're going to look like gel or acrylic on a nail. They're smart. Yeah, these are all the same. So these are just little... Can you see? I like the colour theme. They've all got this little pastel colour theme going on. So they're really smart, aren't they? I've never seen a set of press-ons like this in a set of 4. They'd be really good to take on holiday, wouldn't they? I like them a lot. Right, and also off Amazon, I've got these. This is a pack of 4, and it's the solid non-sticky hand, solid builder gel that Born Pretty's been doing, Vornail, Vetsy, they've all been doing it, haven't they? So this one, look, it's got a little mould, so you can use this stuff to make little moulds. We've got little flowers on there. I like that, that's cute. It comes with a silicone tool. That's what you use to mould this stuff. Silicone tool. We've got some stiletto dual forms in there. And then we've got a little file. So yeah, these are... So we've got clear, white, nude and pink. Let's have a look. White. I'm not actually going to... I'll open one, so they're all foil sealed. I'll open this nude one. So can you see? It's really solid stuff. And you can just mould it with your fingers wearing gloves. Mould it into any shape you want. Gosh, that's... What colour's that? That's nude. I'll be curious to see the pink then. To me, that looks pink and that looks nude. But yeah, this is nude apparently. It looks very pink to me. So yeah, so pack of 4 of them. I like them. I like these pots. They are 30 gram. Oh, I thought they were 15. So they're big pots. Right guys, video's ticking on. So if I've got time to show... I'll just show you this, I think. And I'll leave the rest. If I've got time to show you the rest once I've edited it, I will. But I think this is going to be the last thing. So... Last Christmas with my builder gels, I really struggled because they go hard in the cold weather. Even though my house is warm, my desk is right next to my window and it's quite cold in this corner. My builder gels were so hard to use last year, I had to keep putting them on the radiator to heat them up. So I have ordered myself a heat coaster. There's a girl called Lizette Cruz and she swears by hers. She's used it for as long as I've been watching her. A long time. So, I've got one, finally. I actually ordered one last Christmas and it went missing. And I didn't order another because winter was over by then. I didn't need it. So, I've waited till this year. And I love it. Absolutely love it. So, it's pink. It's got silicone things on the bottom to stop it sliding. It's quite heavy, so it's glass on top, so it starts at 35 because a lot of them started at 45. It was too hot. It's got a timer. I love it. So you just put your builder gel. Andy sent me a silicone thing. I think that might be to go on there, I'm not sure, or to put next to it, I'm not sure. So you just put your builder gel on there and turn it on and it'll just warm it up so it's not so stiff. I love it. I really, really like it. It's got a retro vibe to it, hasn't it? And when I'm not using builder gel, I can use it to keep my cup of tea warm as it's intended. I actually didn't know it was glass. I'm really surprised. I am. I really like it. It's a lot better quality than I was expecting actually. A lot better quality. Yeah, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'll have to save the rest. There's always more to show you, and I've never got time. I'll have to save the rest for another haul video. I'll leave links to everything like I always do. Please remember to please go over and subscribe to Sue as well, guys. Yeah, because she's so close to 1,000. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, anyway, that is it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.